Halli, hallo. Wie geht's denn so? Na, ein kleiner Reim. Ja, wie geht's euch? Mir geht's gut. Warum? I have a really interesting topic today and I feel good because I have the sensation that I will be able to explain you this topic within 6-7 minutes. And I know from my students that this topic, if you do not study it in my classes, it's really hard to learn it, to understand, and especially then to use it. But with me, I'm optimistic, ich bin Optimist. Wir werden das schaffen. We're gonna manage it, we're gonna do it. Okay. Das Thema ist simple. It's just the 4 directions you have, up or down or inside or outside. That's it. You're gonna ask yourself, why should I make a video about this topic? Well, because inside is inside, outside is outside. But you already know German language, they distinguish if there is a movement towards outside or if you're already inside. But the concept is always, you have to know the concept are these 4 directions that somebody, this is up, then down, and or this one inside. We take this for inside, okay, because otherwise I'm gonna hurt myself. Inside und outside. So in German, let's take the situation that you are already upstairs, downstairs, you are already there, okay? So you are already there, and up is oben. So you say ich bin oben, ich bin unten. Open, unten, just for ich bin. So you are already there. Maybe I can mention it at this point that I have a video regarding the prepositions. You know, ich gehe ins Kino, zur Bushaltestelle, ich bin am Flughafen. I have a video where it is explained with these prepositions, and also in which I explain the concept of if you're already there or you still have to go to somewhere. So if you do not remember, for German it's really important. Always when you use prepositions, for German it's important to prepositions to explain where you are or where you want to go to. It's always important. German distinguish if you still have to go to this place or if you are already there, and then you are there, you're sleeping there, working there, I don't know, but this is the concept. So we're gonna go back. So the concept is you are already at this place, so like unten, so in a house you do not wait downstairs because you're upstairs, you're downstairs and you're waiting there, unten, okay? And you say ich bin oben, or you say ich bin drinnen, so I'm inside, und ich bin draußen, drinnen, draußen, oben, unten. Repeat. Okay, so this is ich bin. You are already there, and then the sentence is finished. You cannot say ich bin drinnen im Haus or something like that. You just say ich bin drinnen. So you use this oben, unten, drinnen, draußen when it's already known where you are. So you do not have to add where exactly because everybody knows it. So now the same concept, but you have to go there. So du bist noch nicht oben. You're still not upstairs. You have to go. And then if it's a movement like ich gehe oder ich laufe or maybe you are jumping, ich springe, then you say, ich gehe rauf, ich gehe runter, rauf, runter, ich gehe rein, ich gehe raus, rein, raus, rauf, runter. Once again. Okay. That's it. So you have to distinguish if you're already at the place, ich bin, or you have to go there. And you do not add anything else. It's just ich gehe rein, Punkt. Ich gehe raus, Punkt. Okay? So now I will give you the verb, like ich warte. And now the concept is, ich warte. Is it a verb? You still have to go to a place, or you are still at this place and then you have to wait? Natürlich, ja. Ich warte is you can only wait in a place when you are already there. So let's have a look. With the verb warte, you use oben, unten, drinnen, draußen. These 4 words. And with the verb ich gehe, then you have to say rauf, runter, rein, raus. It's fine with the movements starting with the R. Ist nicht schlecht, sich vielleicht daran zu erinnern. Well, okay, so now I will give you the verb, okay? And you have to just think, is it a verb where you have to use then drinnen, draußen, oben, unten, so no movement, you're already there, or you still have to go there, so rein, raus, runter, rauf, okay. Warten. Fußball spielen. Spazieren gehen. Okay, why is spazieren gehen no movement, or if you want to have a walk in the park, maybe you drive by car there, but then inside the park you have this walk. So for that you say drinnen, draußen, oben, unten. Don't ask me, ich gehe unten spazieren. What does that? Well, why not? Okay, aber grammatikalisch, from the grammar point of view, it's absolutely correct. Okay, good. Weiter. Gehen. Sitzen. Essen. Sich treffen. Ja, sich treffen is, you may say, hey, Michele, was ist das? What's that? That's bullshit, because treffen is a movement, I still have to go there. No, you will go to a meeting point, and then at this point you are already there, and then you're gonna meet your friend. Okay, so sich treffen is drinnen, draußen. Maybe if it's raining, wenn es regnet, dann treffen wir uns drinnen. Wenn es nicht regnet, können wir uns draußen treffen. So now I hope you have the feeling most of these verbs, as you already know, movement verbs are not so many. You have to use drinnen, draußen, oben, unten. Okay, so last round, I will say ich warte, and you have to say, decide, okay, ich warte is something with this, is it movement or not? Ich warte oben. Okay. Ich bin. Ich esse. Ich treffe meinen Freund Ich gehe. Ich springe. Ich springe. Ich spiele Fußball. Ich spiele Tennis. Ich schlafe. Ich schlafe. Ich fahre. Ich fahre. Ich gehe. Ich gehe. Ja,